Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, that's the daily chart on Bitcoin. We are below the 20-day EMA, below the 50-day EMA. That's not a good sign. So as long as we are below the 50-day EMA, I'm bearish on Bitcoin. When we pump to the upside and get around this area, we will more likely to fall back unless we develop a pattern that says something else. Let's just have a look at the weekly chart here to see if we can see something here. So that's the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, now my question here is, let me show you. Is this here a big head and shoulder pattern? If so, and break down below the 50 EMA on the weekly chart, then we are more likely to come down, yeah. So yeah, it could be bearish. Yeah, Bitcoin could be bearish. Let me just make a measured move here. See, should we fall below, I would say below the 50-day EMA, but of course, yeah, I would say below the 50, not day, 50 EMA on the weekly chart. Then we can measure the price target, and 50 EMA here is actually, so if we are below 45,000, I would say, then that's going to be a very bad sign. Yeah, this could be, yeah, below, I would say, yeah, here we have a wick down here, so let's say this is the neckline. So should we fall below 42,970? All right, just a quick target. Then, oops, that's not good. 16,650. Wow. Let's hope it's not the pattern that I see here, but as long as we are below the 20 EMA on the weekly, right now we are between 20 EMA and 50 EMA, so anything could happen here. We're spending time here up and down and watching these two levels. Should we break down below, then we go down. Should we break up, then probably we would come first to around 59,000, and then probably to the all-time high levels, 66,000, even 68,000. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum, let's look at Ethereum. That's the weekly chart on Ethereum, and let's see. Weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we are sitting on the 20 EMA. We are above. We tried to break down but couldn't, so Ethereum is right now strong. Should we break down below and close the weekly candle below, then probably we will go down to even to the 50 EMA, to this area here. But here we didn't touch the 50 EMA, we just fell below and then we came back up. So let's see, we have space to go to, I would say, 3,000. So yeah, but we are above there, so since we are above there, we could go to the upside anytime. Daily chart, let's have a look at the daily chart on Ethereum and see what we can get here. Daily chart doesn't look good. We are below the 50 EMA and below the 20-day EMA, trying to get back to the 20-day EMA, but once we get back, probably we will pull down again. Here we have lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, yeah, we are slowly, very slowly, but we are going downside. All right, let's look at Cardano. Cardano has been moving to the downside for quite some time now. On the daily doesn't look good. We are trying to break above, but we have lower highs, lower lows, and here we are trying to move around and turn around and move to the upside. Let's see if we can do that. But we touched the 50-day EMA. This is the daily chart, and pulled back. And in fact, we came below the 20-day EMA. We are trying to spend time here. Cannot break to the upside above 20 EMA. It certainly looks bearish on the daily. Let's look at the weekly to see if we have some hope here. On the weekly chart, Cardano on the weekly chart. Yeah, here we go. Looks like 1.2 is an area of support now, but even on the weekly we are below the 20 EMA and below the 50 EMA. That doesn't look good, so we tried to break to the upside but couldn't. The weekly candle closed below the 50 EMA, and that's a bad sign. I would say more likely than not we are on our way to 1.2 now, but because the 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA, we could have strong moves to the upside any times, because this is still bullish here. But yeah, we are probably going to 1.2 and trying to break to the upside then, and yeah, we are spending some time here trying to decide where to go. Okay, that's all for